Welcome, deep-sea explorers and ocean enthusiasts, to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to the crushing depths of our planet's oceans, a place where sunlight fears to tread and pressure could flatten a tank. Yet remarkably, life thrives. We're talking about the truly extreme athletes of the animal kingdom, those extraordinary creatures that plunge thousands of meters below the surface in search of food, refuge, or simply to exist in a world few of us can even imagine. Think about it. The average human diver can only reach a few dozen meters without specialized equipment. The world record for a free diver is just over 100 meters. But the animals we're about to explore, they laugh in the face of those numbers. They've evolved incredible adaptations to withstand immense pressure, freezing temperatures, and the perpetual darkness of the abyss. Get ready to have your minds blown because we're counting down the top 5 deepest diving animals on Earth. Before we reveal our top 5, let's give a shout out to some other incredible deep divers who, while not making the absolute top tier, are still absolute legends of the deep. It's a testament to the ocean's mysteries just how many creatures brave these extreme environments. You might be surprised to see a bird on this list, but the emperor penguin is no ordinary bird. These Antarctic residents are phenomenal swimmers, diving to depths of over 500 meters, that's about 1,640 feet, in pursuit of fish and squid. They can slow their heart rate to just a few beats per minute to conserve oxygen, truly mastering the art of the underwater hunt. The largest of all living sea turtles, the leatherback is a true oceanic wanderer. Unlike other turtles, its shell is leathery rather than bony, providing flexibility under pressure. They've been recorded diving to an astonishing 1,200 meters, nearly 4,000 feet, likely following the vertical migration of their favorite meal, jellyfish. The largest fish in the world, the filter-feeding whale shark, is often seen near the surface, but don't let their calm demeanor fool you. Recent studies using satellite tags have shown these giants making unexpected deep dives, reaching depths of almost 2,000 meters, over 6,500 feet. The reasons for these deep excursions are still a bit of a mystery, but it adds another layer to their already fascinating lives. These animals are truly amazing, but they're just scratching the surface of what the ocean's deepest realms hold. Now, prepare yourselves as we descend even further into the abyss to uncover our top 5. At number 5, weighing in as the largest toothed predator on Earth, we have the magnificent sperm whale. These incredible mammals are synonymous with deep diving, and for good reason. They are legendary hunters of the deep sea, primarily feasting on colossal and giant squid that inhabit the ocean's twilight and midnight zones. Imagine a creature the size of a school bus plunging into absolute darkness, relying on clicks and echoes to navigate and locate prey. Sperm whales routinely dive to depths of 1,000 to 2,000 meters, 3,300 to 6,500 feet, but records indicate they can go even deeper, over 2,250 meters, 7,380 feet. That's like stacking over 7 Eiffel Towers on top of each other and still having room to spare. How do they do it? Their bodies are perfectly engineered for the deep. They have a massive lung capacity, of course, but it's more than just holding their breath. Their lungs actually collapse during deep dives to prevent the bends, a dangerous condition caused by nitrogen bubbles forming in the blood. They also have an exceptionally high concentration of myoglobin in their muscles, a protein that stores oxygen, allowing their muscles to function efficiently even with limited oxygen supply. And that enormous head? It contains a specialized organ filled with spermaceti oil, which scientists believe plays a role in echolocation and possibly buoyancy control, allowing them to rapidly descend and ascend. Their dives can last for over an hour, sometimes even longer, as they navigate the inky blackness, a testament to their incredible physiological adaptations and their insatiable appetite for elusive deep-sea cephalopods. The ocean's depths are a dinner table for these leviathans.
Coming in at number 4, we have a true champion of the pinniped family, the southern elephant seal. While they might look like clumsy blobs on land, in the water, These seals transform into powerful, efficient diving machines. Found in the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean, these seals undertake some of the longest and deepest foraging dives of any seal species. Southern elephant seals can routinely dive to depths of over 1,000 meters, but their recorded maximums are truly astounding, reaching over 2,388 meters, about 7,835 feet. And it's not just about depth. Their dives can last for over an hour, with some individuals recorded staying submerged for more than 100 minutes. Imagine holding your breath for that long. Their adaptations are fascinating. Like the sperm whale, they can store vast amounts of oxygen in their blood and muscles due to a high concentration of red blood cells and myoglobin. But here's where it gets interesting. They also have a highly elastic spleen that can release extra oxygen-rich red blood cells into their bloodstream when needed. This incredible blood bank allows them to sustain their deep, long dives. They also shunt blood away from non-essential organs to focus oxygen on their brain and heart. Their flexible rib cages and lungs also collapse, allowing them to withstand the immense pressure. These amazing seals spend up to 80% of their lives underwater, tirelessly exploring the depths for fish, squid, and crustaceans. Their commitment to the deep is truly unparalleled among seals. At number 3, we have an animal that looks like it swam straight out of a Pixar movie. The incredibly charming Dumbo octopus. Named for its prominent ear-like fins that resemble Disney's famous elephant, this deep-sea cephalopod is the deepest living of all known octopuses. While smaller in stature compared to our previous contenders, the Dumbo octopus consistently inhabits the abyssal zone, found at depths ranging from 3,000 to over 4,000 meters. That's approximately 9,800 to 13,000 feet. Some reports even place them deeper, potentially down to 7,000 meters. That's 22,965 feet, making them truly residents of the extreme deep. How do they survive in such an unforgiving environment? The Dumbo octopus has evolved a unique way of moving, flapping those ears to propel itself through the water, conserving energy in the low food environment. Their bodies are incredibly gelatinous, allowing them to withstand the intense pressure without being crushed. They lack an ink sac, a common defense mechanism for shallower octopuses, because at these depths, there are very few predators, and the darkness makes ink useless. Instead, they rely on stealth and their unique form to navigate the perpetual night. These fascinating creatures silently glide above the seafloor, searching for tiny crustaceans and worms. Their very existence reminds us that life finds a way even in the most extreme corners of our planet. And now for our second deepest diver, holding the record for the deepest and longest confirmed dive for a mammal, the enigmatic Cuvier's beaked whale. These highly elusive whales are rarely seen at the surface, preferring the crushing pressures of the deep ocean. Prepare to be astonished. The Cuvier's beaked whale has been recorded diving to an incredible 2,992 meters. That's over 9,816 feet. To put that into perspective, that's almost 3 kilometers straight down. And not only do they dive deep, they stay down for an astonishing amount of time. One individual was tracked holding its breath for 3 hours and 42 minutes. This shatters previous records and truly cements their place as the ultimate mammalian deep-sea marathoners. Their adaptations are a masterclass in extreme physiology. Before a deep dive, they exhale almost all the air from their lungs, making them negatively buoyant and allowing for rapid descent. This also minimizes the air pockets that would compress under pressure, preventing damage to their lungs. Their flexible rib cages can flatten completely, and their tissues are incredibly robust to handle the immense pressure. They also have specialized blood chemistry that allows them to tolerate extremely low oxygen levels and high carbon dioxide, essentially putting their bodies into an ultra-efficient, suspended state. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries of these incredible whales. Their ability to dive so deep for so long in search of deep-sea squid and fish makes them true champions of the unexplored abyss. And now, The moment you've all been waiting for, the undisputed reigning champion of deep diving, the creature that laughs in the face of pressures that would crush any other vertebrates, the deepest dwelling fish known to science, the Mariana Snailfish. Discovered relatively recently, these incredible fish inhabit the deepest parts of our oceans, specifically the Mariana Trench, the deepest oceanic trench on Earth. They've been observed and even captured at mind-boggling depths of up to 8,178 meters, 26,831 feet. That's almost 8.2 kilometers down. Imagine Mount Everest inverted, and these fish would still be swimming hundreds of meters below its peak. What allows this seemingly delicate creature to survive such crushing pressure? Unlike many fish that rely on a gas-filled swim bladder for buoyancy, which would explode at these depths, the snailfish lacks one entirely. Its body is incredibly gelatinous and contains trimethylamine N oxide, an organic compound that protects its proteins from the denaturing effects of extreme pressure. Their bones are also remarkably soft and flexible, preventing them from shattering under the strain. They're not fast swimmers. They tend to drift along the bottom, patiently waiting for small crustaceans to come their way. Their survival in such an alien environment challenges everything we thought we knew about the limits of life. They're a testament to the sheer adaptability of evolution. And as an additional note, while the Mariana snailfish is the deepest confirmed fish, there have been unconfirmed reports of a cusk eel being caught in a net at an incredible 8,370 meters, 27,460 feet in the Puerto Rico Trench. If confirmed, that would make it the deepest fish ever recorded. The deep sea continues to surprise us. From the majestic sperm whale to the surprisingly resilient Mariana snailfish, the creatures we've explored today are living proof of life's incredible tenacity and adaptability. The deep ocean remains one of the last true frontiers on our planet, a place of immense pressure, perpetual darkness, and untold wonders. Every dive these animals make, every adaptation they possess, tells a story of survival against unimaginable odds. They are a powerful reminder of how much we still have to learn about our own planet, and why it's so vital to protect these fragile and mysterious ecosystems. What was your favorite deep diving animal from this list? Let us know in the comments below. Have you heard of other incredible deep sea creatures? Share your knowledge. If you enjoyed this journey into the abyss, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing animal facts and explorations, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the natural world. Thank you for watching, and remember, the ocean is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious.